welcome to my channel. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Does renter insurance cover that? Having something stolen from you is a pretty crummy feeling. Paying to replace the stolen item can feel even worse. The average value of property taken during larceny theft is $1,162 according to the FBI's Uniform Crime Reporting Program. You're most likely to have your personal property stolen from your car. About 27% of larceny theft is from cars and nearly 10% is from buildings. Stolen bikes make up about 3% of thefts, and while you're much less likely to be the victim of pocket picking 0.6% or personating 0.4%, it does happen. Fortunately, renter's insurance covers the theft of personal belongings both inside and outside your home. What is renter's insurance? Renter's insurance covers problems like theft, damage to your belongings from problems such as fire, and injuries to visitors. Renter's insurance can generally be broken down into the three main coverage types. Personal property coverage. This coverage pays for your belongings if they are stolen and also for damage from fire, tornadoes, explosions, vandalism, and more. Liability coverage. Liability coverage pays for medical expenses if a guest is hurt in your home and you're legally responsible, like a slip and fall incident. It also covers property damage you cause to others, like dog bite to a neighbor. Additional living expenses, also called loss of use. This pays for extra expenses like hotel bills and restaurant meals if you cannot live at home because of a problem covered by the policy, like a fire. How does renter's insurance cover theft? When you buy a renter's insurance policy, you will have the option to choose the policy limit for your personal property coverage, which is the maximum amount the insurer will pay if your stuff is stolen. For example, if you buy $30,000 worth of coverage, your insurer will pay up to that amount. Renter's insurance will cover the theft of your belongings both inside and outside your home. For example, if someone steals your stuff from your car or a hotel room, renter's insurance can reimburse you. The policy will have a deductible, which is the amount of money deducted from an insurance claim check. For example, if someone steals your $1,000 watch and you have a $500 deductible, you'll get an insurance check for $500. To make a theft claim, you will need a police report. You will also need a list of the items stolen and their estimated value. If you have received for the original items, even better. Understanding actual cash value versus replacement cost coverage. When you purchase a renter's insurance policy, you will choose between actual cash value or ACV and replacement cost coverage. Replacement cost is the better coverage and will cost more. That's because ACV takes depreciation into account while replacement cost will pay to replace your stolen item with a new, similar item, minus deductible. Special limits for theft coverage. Your renter's insurance policy likely has a special limits for the theft of certain categories of items, like jewelry, electronics, and collectibles. This means your insurer will only pay up to the sublimit amount if the item is stolen. For example, a renter's insurance policy may have a $1,000 special limit on stolen jewelry. That's not going to cover your loss if a thief swipes a $3,000 ring. For high-value items like bikes, cameras, musical instruments, and jewelry, you will want to get additional coverage, says Louis Levy, a spokesperson from Lemonade Insurance. In insurance speak, it's called scheduling personal property, and it basically means adding available items to your insurance policy so that it can get extra coverage. Does renter's insurance cover stolen bicycles? Renter's insurance covers stolen bicycle, whether it is stolen from your home or somewhere else, such as a bike wrecked outside work. Keep in mind that your insurer might have a special limit on stolen bicycles. For example, Progressive Insurance has a $1,500 sublimit on bicycles. If you want better coverage, you can schedule the bike. If you own an expensive or specialty bike, you might want to consider bike insurance. Here are tips for preventing bike theft. Keep your bike locked away from the ground. Keep the gap between the lock and the bike small. Store your bike out of plain view if possible. Keep your copy of your bike serial number in a safe place. Register your bike with an online registry that partners with law enforcement such as the Bike Index. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.